Properties of air. Let us perform some activities to learn about the properties of air. Activity number 1. Take a bottle and invert it in a bucket full of water. Press the bottle gradually in the water. Observe what happens. The water does not enter the bottle even on pressing. This happens because the bottle is not empty. Air is present inside the bottle. Now tilt the bottle slightly, still keeping it inverted. Observe the air bubbles escape out of the bottle and water enters the bottle. The bottle will be completely filled with water when there is no air inside. This activity proves that air occupies space. Air does not have a definite shape. Let us prove it. Fill air in a cycle tube. Air takes the shape of the cycle tube. If air is filled in an inflated balloon or air mattresses or football bladder or swimming tube, takes their shape respectively. This shows that air does not have a definite shape. It takes the shape of the container which it is present. Activity number 3. Take a glass and keep it close to your mouth. Suck the air in the mouth from the glass. Remove your hands. The glass remains pressed to the mouth. Now release your breath. The glass will fall down. Why does it happen? This is because when the air inside the glass has been sucked, the air from outside exerts pressure over the glass and keeps it fitted to the mouth. This proves that air exerts pressure. This property of air is used in the working of an eyedropper, in filling ink in fountain pipe, a doctor's syringe and the pitchkari used in Holi. A doctor's syringe or pitchkari has a piston. When this piston is moved forward, the air inside the syringe goes out. Then the nozzle or the tip is dipped in the medicine and the piston is plucked out. The liquid enters the syringe. By using this principle, one can empty a bucket full of water without lifting it. This is done by making a siphon. Take a glass tube with two bends. Now take a bucket full of water and keep it at a higher place. Take another empty bucket and keep it at a lower place. Now place the shorter arm of the tube in the water-filled bucket and longer arm from the tube in the empty bucket. Suck out the air from the tube and fill it with water. Keep both ends of the tube dipped in the water. The water starts flowing into the empty bucket. Take two balloons of the same size. Blow both the balloons equally. Tie the balloons on the two sides of a stick. Tie a thread in the center of the stick and hold it. Try to balance the balloon by moving them along the stick. Now puncture one of the balloons so the air moves out. You will find that the balloons are not balanced anymore. The balloon with air is heavier than the defeated balloon. This activity shows that air has weight.